This has to be the best juice that you're going to try out over this mango season. So for the first step, we are going to start by brewing our hibiscus tea, and I have my hibiscus flower. This is how they look like. So I'm going to add a few leaves in here, and you can add as much leaves as you may want your color to be. So that should be enough. Then I also have some sugar, and you can add as much as you like your things to be sweet. So I'm just going to be adding 1 because the mango is also sweet. Then I'll go in some hot boiling water. So you'll notice that the water has already started changing color, and that's what you want exactly. So I'm going to leave this on the countertop for about 30 or so minutes so that it can cool down. Then I'm going to pop it in the fridge for about 6 or so hours. And by the way, if at all you do not have the hibiscus flower, you can also use some water. It's going to work just as good as this. So hours later, my hibiscus tea is ready, and you can see, and this is very delicious. You can have this any day, anytime. So I've also chopped 1 mango into small sizes. I'll start by adding in my mango. Then I'm also going to sieve in my tea. And you can see the rich color that we have, and that's what we wanted. Then I'll proceed to blend this till we have a very smooth consistency. So finally, our juice is ready, and let's give this a taste test. Wow. This has to be the best juice that you're going to try out over this mango season. We can appreciate the rich, beautiful color. Also, the taste is amazing. That's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.